A wise man once said that space is the final frontier. It has long since captivated the imaginations of people all over the world. It has birthed a plethora of science fiction tales, but more importantly, it has inspired scientists, engineers, teachers, and many others to seek out new adventures, exploring the unknown. Today, I am in Houston, Texas, not just to visit NASA, but also to engage in another kind of adventure.
Hey, welcome. So here we're at the Houston Public Library for the third Houston Mechanical Keyboard Meetup. I'm Wokchill. This is my partner, Time Tennis Shoe Ninja, and we've got a huge number of people. We've got 150 people RSVP'd. We're gonna get about 200 people here. We got 105 prizes. Talking about keyboards.
Having a great time.
Yeah.
I wanted to mention Cape Town. Make sure you tune in Sunday live for our live podcast. We got Dixie Meg here. Dixie, come here. We got Dixie Meg here actually from Alabama. Joining us at the Houston Meetup. Make sure you tune in live Sundays, guys. Thank you so much. Yeah.
So my name is Chris, and I got into mechanical keyboards maybe a year or two ago, and this is my first kind of baby. I bought this off Mass Drop, the IKBC MF87, and it came with blues originally, but this is my first venture into soldering, desoldering, and like nice switches. So these have round 6, 67 gram Zelios, and they come in stock, but I don't know, something about the heft of like a pre-built board and the accessibility to be able to mod it is great. And I love this POW. I remember when JTK came out with Debut, I fell in love with it. And when they re-released it, I had to jump on it immediately. And I have some artisans up here. I'm saving these 2 spots for my Rama, rose gold switch caps. And yeah, I love it just because it just feels like home when I type on this. It's kind of cumbersome to carry around, but I guess that's what family is like, right? It's just, you had to deal with, the ups and downs. So yeah, that's why I love this keyboard.
Hey everybody, this is Dead Encryption, Dave. I'm here with a few of my boards. This is my new favorite, the TX60. I also enjoy modding a lot of switches, so I brought a few different samples of work that I've done. This is a new switch that I just created called the Halo Ergo. Basically what it is, I don't know if you can zoom in, can you? Basically it is a switch that has the standard Ergo stem or cherry clear stem, and then you put 62 gram spring, just like you would a normal Ergo. And the only real difference is it's in a Halo True housing, so it just adds a little more snap, feels a little better. It's just one of my favorites. So also check out Metaverse. Gotta throw that in. Gotta throw it in.
Hello, my name is Yasu. My handle name is Sudoku at Geekhack. This is my custom keyboard work, designed, inspired by numerous things, kinesis, dactyl manifolding, and whatnot. It's supposed to fit in your hands quite well. It's running on KMK, Let's Play Clone, with Trackpoint edition as well.
Alright, so what's happening right now is everyone is swarming for their prizes. In other meetups, people just call out names and say, hey, so-and-so won this. But at this meetup, what they've done is they've pre-done all of the winners already, and they've listed them all out on the PowerPoint and the 2 TVs for all the world to see. And yeah, this is what's happening right now. I actually haven't checked if I've won yet because there's so many people, but hopefully I did. I'm trying to figure out a way to get